It is powered by two Rolls-Royce engines which, with reheat, give a total static thrust at sea level of 29,000 pounds. This thrust, combined with its supersonic design, gives the Lightning a very high performance. It climbs from brake release to 36,000 feet in 3 3/4 minutes and is capable of speeds well in advance of its present Mach limitation. From point 9, the aircraft accelerates to 1.6 Mach. At supersonic speeds, control of the Lightning is smooth and pleasant. The aircraft is very maneuverable, and a turn of 5G is possible at 1.6 Mach. Although the Lightning is capable of very high Mach numbers, it is not difficult to handle at low speeds. To assist in braking after touchdown, a brake parachute is provided, which is jettisoned at the end of the runway. It has fully powered, hydraulically operated flying controls. The ailerons are at the trailing edge of the wings.